Yeah, I'm Jimmy O'Brien from Galesburg, Illinois. I've got me a nice little top Sportsman car on my hands, and I'm out here with Ricky at RJ Race Cars, and he's going to be doing some work for me. I've taken on a new project here that is a little above my head as far as the wiring a little bit. It's got the grid in it, and I went ahead and decided to get a hold of Rick and Ricky at RJ Race Cars. I live in the same town, and I know they do unbelievable work. They know what they're doing, and this car started out life as a kit car. So basically it was done in the early 2000s for a customer, a guy in Chicago that had it, that ran Top Sportsman, and he did really well with it. At that time, it had a 638, and then what I did, I purchased something I probably shouldn't have. I purchased a very large displacement 5300 bore space rear Morrison engine. And so in that case, the 48300, isn't it a 48300, Ricky, the bore spacing on a standard or big block? 4840 bore spacing. Of course, I knew that wouldn't work. So I got a hold of Rick. I messaged him on Facebook, and he's really good about getting back with you. I mean, you can message him, and he gets right back within 15 minutes. This can even be on Sunday, and I hate to bother people because I know they're all busy. And he said, absolutely, bring it out, and we can have JJ move the motor plates forward and the tabs. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, you can't even tell where he did anything on this chassis, and this engine fit in there like a glove. I didn't do nothing. I mean, the motor plate, JJ had all that done, and it just slid right in. I couldn't believe it. I mean, I put this all in by myself because 99% of the time I'm a Lone Ranger. I do all my own work, and it's pretty impressive. Got to the point where it's got the grid system in it, and I've had other couple of race cars which are pretty simple, MSD 7 AL3 box, but get them run pretty good. But with all this, I thought, well, I'll get a hold of Rick again. I messaged him, and he said, absolutely. He said, Ricky can do that. And so I had Ricky come on out, or I came out and talked to Ricky. He said, bring your car out. So I brought it out. He's synced my computer all in. He spent 2 or 3 hours yesterday with me showing me things. He found a couple little things right now he's working on. The way the way these guys had this shifting, he wasn't happy with. And I kind of agree with him. But like I said, it's over my head. And so I'm having him rewire it. And we're basically about ready to test it, start it. He wants to put the timing light on it. We know all the timing's coming out for the nitrous because we've seen all that stuff yesterday. And he's going to get a base on the engine, which is around 30 degrees. And these guys are just awesome. Most of these guys in the shop here I know and work with. Rick's been good to me. I do my own work a little bit here and there. He's let me plow over the years, gave me a little lawn mowing. I come in here, get the parts. They're just good people. You can call them anytime and they do anything for you. Sounds good, don't it? Good to go. All right, buddy. It's work hard.
Right.
That wasn't too bad, was it?
No, no. Do you want to give me an intro, like who you are and where you're from, and maybe the class you run, or what?
Jack Sands. Jack Sand class.